Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. Today we're working on a Ameritron al-82. This is a newer one, not an older one. Does not have the Peter Doll transformer in it. So I'm going to go over everything I see, and then I'm going to get to work on it. So he must have had it going into an open or something. He had a tube flash from the plate to the grid. So can tell because first off he took out the soft start resistor and from the short, trying to turn it on multiple times with the bad tube, and you can see the plates here are damaged on the air variable capacitor on the plate side for the output network, and also flashed between this solid conductor wire and the band switch. I think the band switch is okay. I'll clean the carbon off of there, residue. I disconnected the connections here. I had potted both of these doorknob capacitors and they are okay. The resistor over here for the soft start, 20 ohm, that's open. You can see a lot of damage to the contact within the relay here. So I'm going to put a brand new relay in, brand new resistor. This is getting a brand new set of RF parts 3500Zs the customer purchased. Good tube, so nice people over there. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that out, I'll change all that out, and I'll see what's up. So I will be back soon. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, Amp Repair Guy. I am back with the completed Ameritron al-82. So went ahead and removed the old relay. I'll show you the relay in a second. So they used to use a single pole relay, now they use a double pole, double throw. So I parallel the contacts, even though each contact's rated for 20 amps, why not, So 40 amps worth of contact rating. Put the new resistor in, solder everything really nice. I also replaced the air variable capacitor, brand new one from Ameritron. Secured everything back to it. I altered the gap for the spark gap. Now it's a little bit less than the plate gap, so hopefully this will arc first. This is something they put in the later ones. Cleaned off the carbon off the Teflon, off the solid wire, resecured the connections here. These are my chimneys, so when someone sends one to me, I use my own chimneys. These aren't the ones that come with it. I had to cut off the stud right here, because that's what they do with the stock one. I mean with the one that they put in. Otherwise it'll interfere with the chimney. So everything else is all set. Check the SO239s, they're good. Here's the old capacitor right here. You can see it's really bad. Okay, here's the old relay. Let's see. This resistor's open. You only use one set of contacts. Okay, so that's about it. If you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 203-892-4119, and I'm going to give you some advice. A lot of people operate their amps with headphones on, so they don't even hear the arcing happening. So that's probably what happened. He probably had his headphones on. It's a good idea to not wear headphones, because unless you're looking at it, you probably see the sparks or something up through the cover. If you're looking at the meters, you'll see it. The current meter will be fluctuating. But it's best just not wear headphones. So if it happened once or twice or whatever, it would not have been destroyed. But I mean, this is like a long-term arc issue. He's lucky he did not destroy the band switch, because a lot of times it takes out the band switch, and it could have caused other damage too. So that's probably what took out the tubes, the original tubes. So please like, share, and subscribe. And my website is amprepairguy.com. On to the next amplifier after this. So stay tuned. Way more content to come, and I still have to get on that 80 through 15 meter amp, but I got to blast through this stuff. I took a little break after I got the 6 meter amp done. I had to ship all the drive ramps back. The first one that ended up it stopped working. Then the second one that was only putting, still only putting out about 300 watts, and then also the third one, and you know, and prep the 6,000 amp for shipping. Just a lot of work, involved with that thing. I'm just so happy it's done. So like I said, thanks for watching and stay tuned. AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119.